got a drip on a water faucet, and drips pretty quick. Checking out by pulling the, there it is. It's sweated on. If I pull out far enough, you can see where it's soldered on, so you can't unscrew it. So I went to Home Depot, and no, actually it was Lowe's. I went to Lowe's, and they told me to try to change the packing. So I'm going to try to take this off after I cut the water off, and see if I can fix the washer on it. I remember helping my dad a long time ago when I was little, and I didn't know they still made those little packets, but the guy at Lowe's found them for me. So it's got the little plastic pieces, so I'll show y'all. Now off to shut the water meter off. Okay, we got to lift the water meter up. Looks like it hadn't been done in a while. Gotta have the right tool. Put it on here. Okay, I think that's off. Go turn the water on, make sure it's off. There's a little secret, turn off. Looks like it's off. It's not running. I was going to do it over there where I was going to work, but then that would have put all the water where I was working. FYI. Okay. Gotta try to take it off now. Got all the tools I had when I changed my Honda part. It's going to leak a little bit, so open it up. Like I said, the first thing you do is take off the top part. So need a bigger wrench, bigger than that. Big enough to go. It's going to be bigger than a 26. I don't know if I'm going to have one big enough for that. Nope. It's too big for that, so I need to get, let's see if this will fit. That's too big too, so gonna have to get a wrench. Something to hold it so it don't you don't want to pull it off the deal. So let's see. There. Come loose. it's got the flat washer in here. It looks really loose. So I'm going to try to take the screw out. So you take the screw out of the center. Then in this little kit I got to try to find a matching deal. And luck has it, it don't have it. So I'm going to have to go back to Lowe's and buy one. So I'll be back. This is too small. I mean too big. Okay. Took me longer in Lowe's than it was going to take to fix it. But I got the right parts now. This type faucet uses a half-inch flat washer. And now I'm going to just put it on the end. Basically, you just unscrew the screw. Take the old washer off. Put the new washer on. Then I'm going to need to get like a little bit of thread on here, the graphite, and just put a couple rings around there, and that'll seal the leak from here. So I'm going to put you on pause while I cut that off. Okay, see, I just took the graphite string and just wrapped around 3 times, and I'll put this back on there. Make sure it's going to be tight enough. Takes a 3/4 nut. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put this in here. Tighten it down. Oh wait. Almost forgot, I got some silicone grease I'm going to put on there to kind of lube it up. Put around these threads. Should help it seal maybe a little better. Maybe make it not seize up. Never will take it out in 10 years. I'm going to put some around the threads of the top of this too. I'm going to tighten it up. So I have to reverse this. Sure it's tight. tighten it down. Okay, it's off. So I'm going to go turn the water on. And y'all are going to be the first to watch it before I even get to see it, because you'll be able to see it first. Okay, water's coming on. Okay, the water's on. There you go. I'll ring up a total and put it on there. But that's probably a little bit cheaper than having a plumber come out here and do it. It's dry. Thank you for watching. I'll show you the parts I used to fix it. Graphite valve packing was a $2.28. I got the silicone grease was $2.97, and then 10 1/2 inch flat washers, they were $1.58. So my total was under $7.50, and as you can see, I've still got plenty more to do that, maybe 9 more times, because that's how many washers I got. So that's pretty good. Under $7.50 fixes the water leak. I bet I leaked that much water over the last year. So anyway, got the parts at Lowe's, but you can get them at Home Depot or any other your hardware store. They probably got different kinds. But don't be afraid to get out there and just get your hands a little dirty. Maybe you can save some money. Thanks for watching. Bye.